Welcome to Creative Tian channel. Today I'm going to do some Christmas ornament by crochet and using some wires. The wire can give some structure of the crocheted items, so it will not be too floppy or change shapes easily. And you can use the same technique to create your own home decoration. It can be small or big. For the wire, I just use what I have around. It should be soft enough to bend, but it's still sturdy enough. There are a lot of crafting wires that's very easy to bend. I will put some Amazon links in the description box if you are interested. Use any yarn that's suitable for holidays. It can be shiny, with sparkles, or any crazy colors. Or you can combine any scrap yarn you have. There's really no rules. First, I want the outline of the item. For this project, I just make a simple star shape, but you can make an outline for any shape, maybe an animal, a Santa, snowman, or anything. And just be careful about safety. When you try to connect the ends, you can use tools, or you can use gloves to prevent injury. Once you bend the wire to the shape you like, we can start crocheting. And the wire shape doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to cover it with yarns. So I just use a simple hook. It's around 5.25 millimeter for my worsted weight yarn. And I start by tying a knot. After that, I just do single crochet throughout as an outline to cover the wire. So you can see wire as a piece of yarn and insert the hook under the wire and pick up the yarn from the back below the wire and just do the normal single crochet. This way we can cover the wire. And since the wire is slippery, you have to pay some attention about the tension because it can be too tight or too loose. But it's also flexible because you can slide it around to make it even. After I cover the wire, you can see the shape of the star. And you can stop here and make a loop for hanging, or you can continue to do more stitches or patterns in the center. Here I'm continuing to make a star in the center, and I just crochet a few chain stitches until I reach the opposite end and make a slip stitch. And I'll repeat that. Make chain stitches, connect to the opposite side, and then we'll keep going until I have a star shape. Since I have the 5-point star, I'll do it 5 times. And I use the yarn end to tighten up the corners so it's not too loose. And I made a loop on the top so I can hang it anywhere I want. You can stop here or you can continue to add more details. I want to make an outline outside of the star so it looks more like a snowflake or a flower. So I just crochet about 5 stitches and then make a slip stitch in the next stitch. And then I will do 2 or 3 slip stitches. And then we'll repeat that, make 5 chain stitches and the slip stitch to the next stitch. And then 2 or 3 slip stitches. And this creates some scallop shape and just make it more interesting. So I do that across the whole outline, and this is my star or snowflake, and it's ready to hang on Christmas tree or by your window. It doesn't take much time and doesn't take much yarn. It's just a little fun project to try for holidays. I have another sample here with flower shape and with a wire inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy holidays.